Guys are polyurethaning the ceilings in here. They already did the other room. Did you do the bathroom upstairs?
We have.
Okay, they're gonna do that too. But it's looking awesome. I also polyurethaned all of the insides in that framing in the windows. In all 3 windows. Better example of the window. Plywood, they stained and I put a polyurethane on it. These Chinese things are nice, but they got shit for directions. So we're having a hard time finding the difference between the fan switch and the light switch. I've got a 14-3 wire in there, which is what's required. But this thing doesn't seem to want to
Well, because
work.
you did.
What?
So this is a ground.
Right. We'll figure it out. Well, we finished the... Sorry I didn't film it, but this room is tiny and no room to do it, so... But it looks good. We use these leveler things, which makes the tiles flat, which is nice. Because as much as I tried to make this square, it isn't. But it looks pretty good. We'll let this dry and grout. Tomorrow or the next day. We'll have to put a molding up there. Got a gap, but that's okay. All the way around there's a gap. Anyway, we're pretty happy with it. We got a couple of cubbies there. Got a bit of a drop, so water drops off on both of them. So Virginia's bringing in the flooring, and I believe they're 40 pounds a piece. We have, well, 16. How many more do you have out there?
I think they're heavier than 40. But
What's that say? 40 at the edge, at the
40-year warranty.
40-year warranty. Wow. That's
Doesn't
pretty
say the
good,
weight.
right?
That's
40-year
awesome.
warranty. What's the 5?
Me.
Yeah, it'll outlast me. Anyway, I think they're about 40 pounds. I'm not positive. But we're putting them not distributed evenly over the rafters because the rafters go from here to here. So theoretically, we should put them this way. But we're going to take a picture of this and ask the guy who built it and see what he says.
40 residential, 5 commercial, but it is like, what does it say?
I'm curious about the weight.
Extra thick.
It's got 18 there now.
All right. Hygienic and easily maintained, resistant to stains, eco-friendly, waterproof. Waterproof, not water resistant. Waterproof, resistant
better
to
yet.
scratches, no glue, easy installation, resistant to household chemicals, impact resistant. They have a high heels on impact resistant.
Oh yeah, when you wear your high heels. Bedroom doors over here. They'll be going over here. Sorry for the light. And then the next room over. And I'll be making barn doors similarly to that for both bathrooms. But I haven't done that yet. But this is a lot of weight. It's 18 of them so far. I'm going to add it up, assuming they're 40 pounds a piece. So if they do weigh 40 pounds a piece, there's 16 of them, that's 600 pounds. I think it can hold it. We'll ask the contractor just to make sure. So I'm in the same bathroom that we did the tiles on yesterday. We have to do some cleaning up here, get the motor off of there and try and get it out of there. But I put up all this vapor barrier, black vapor barrier, because the wood I'm putting up, you might be able to see through the boards when they're together, and I want to be able to see black behind it, not paper from the insulation. So that's all done. And I taped up the areas where, you know, like there where there was a little cut around it. And some of the, back off on that. Some of the electrical boxes. Most of the electrical boxes I had to tape up. That's a junction box. That will be a light over the sink. And I didn't tape over this one. I'll tape over that one. And tape where I made some joints. And hopefully that'll be good. So I hooked up both fans.
Oh, by the way, that is connected to that. All that.
What's that?
Here.
What is that?
On, and that's on.
And what is that?
I don't know, you figure out. The light that goes upstairs on top of the, what do you call it? On top of the stairs?
I don't know what do you call
the
it
stairs.
is.
On top of the stairs upstairs. The light out there, excuse me.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's this light fan, and this fan is really intense. I just tested it out. But it's weird because you got to use the remote. And I set it up with the hopes of having a switch over here, one for the fan and one for the light, but I can't get that to work. So I don't know if there's some trick to that. I'll have to research that a little bit more. But there's one in this room and one in the room over there.